namwe cyangwa handi hakuno mugeze hari abana zikina bana ahantu hamwe bwakeye neza abana mugeze aho zari zateraniye abana zishimye kumbe hano hari ufite obu imwe twabaye muri episode y'ubushize batwara mugabo yazanye obu.
Hello, mister. What's that thing?
Icyo ni igice ufite mu ntoki mugabo arangije.
It's something very special.
Ati iki ni ikintu cyakataraboneka ko gitera kana kakirebye haje umuyaga bwana bwose bwikubita hasi wamuyaga ko wakaje n'akantu gacamo kagwa hasi dore nga kana raho yakira kavamo ikajyanwa na ya obu umugabo afite.
Isn't it?
Tini kitagira agaciro, it is priceless.
Yusuke Urameshi became a spirit detective so that he
could Yusuke Urameshi yabaye detective w'imyuka cyangwa maneko w'imyuka
back to life.
What the hell?
Ati nibwo yahawe imbaraga zo gusubira ibuntu.
He has been tasked with catching yokai who do evil in the human world.
Ati yatumwe kuzafata yokai ukora ibibi mu bantu.
How to use it right now.
But he hasn't mastered using his spirit energy.
Usibye ko ntagarabasha kumasteringa ko yakoresha imbaraga ze z'umwuka.
3 dangerous objects that were being monitored by the spirit world were still
stolen
by 3 yokai thieves. The question is, can Yusuke get these objects back?
Bayise Yuyu Hakusho episode ni kabiri sasa kananga hakora mu mwitozo kumenyera koresha imbaraga ze.
What's the problem?
Kibazo ki?
Come on, this is important.
Mwana ibintu n'ingezi gira vuba. Shira imbaraga ukoncentrate ku mbaraga zawe.
Goki, Kurama, Hiei.
Tajya kumbwira abantu afite babibye ibintu.
What these yokai took were all dangerous objects with
abantu ibyo bibye ba yokai ni ibintu bibi cyane, ni objects mbi cyane.
Huge powers.
Kandi zifite imbaraga zidasanzwe.
If we don't get them back quickly, the
human
world will be in trouble.
Isi y'abantu irabiri mu bibazo. Ni obu icyuma na mirwari.
Yeah, big trouble. We believed you were ready to take on the thieves, but not those 3 yokai. They're really strong.
Exactly, which is why I'm teaching you how to shoot the spirit gun. Come on. I didn't think you'd be this slow to get it.
Try and concentrate, Apple.
I can't concentrate because of you two. Being dumb has nothing to do with it.
Don't raise your voice. By the way, you want us to stop talking? Use your spirit gun. Come on.
Sure thing. I'll shoot it.
Good. Shoot. Go on.
Imbunda y'umwuka arikanira kananga irazima.
Listen.
Umva neza.
The only way you'll beat these monsters is if you use the spirit gun.
Ati uburyo bumwe watsinda izi nyamaswa nuko wakoresha spirit gun.
Channel the energy inside.
Fata imbaraga ziri muri wowe indani
and shoot it out with all your heart.
Uzisore muri wowe ukoresha umutima wawe wose n'ubushake ufite muri wowe.
Stop trying to shoot with your fingers, all right?
Wigerageza kurashisha intoki kwarashisha n'ibindi.
All right, once again.
Koenma.
Uretse gato bakira kuri ya projector yabo. Inyuma yawe ni Enima King Enima Junior aje kureba hano hari ibyabaye mu mujyi. Hano hari ubwana bwose bwambuwe roho zabwo. Hari ukuntu roho iba yagiye ariko umubiri utarapfa gatima kagitera nebwatinze.
Gets back to how they were.
Yes, abana bagaruka ibuntu. Ubwana bwose bwajyanye kwa muganga buri muri iki?
Not if they're so.
Murahumekera muri za bomboni. Abana ngo barapfa ariko roho zabo usanga zajyanywe.
That dangerous object, Goki used it to do all this.
Ati iriya object Goki niyo yakoresheje kujya gukora ibingibi. Goki ni cya kigabo kinini cyabambuye ubugingo bwabo.
I can do now.
Bunakora iki?
get their souls back from Goki. It's the only way.
Well, that sounds easy. I have a younger sister about your age.
nawe niyo mpamvu ushaka kuzakuvana hano. Sawa. Karama se yarebaga iki?
Just watching.
Karama yaraye maratureba turwana.
Wasn't trying to help Goki either.
Nta kintu yabikozeho.
What he's playing at, I don't know.
Ariko ibyakinaga sinzi imikino arimo we.
But it was pretty sinister.
Ariko byari atari.
Karama is a yokai in human skin and
ati Karama numwe mu bayokai ariko wambaye umubiri w'umuntu.
Disguise. He's also revealed almost nothing to us, which means he's quite the cunning adversary.
Plus, he is one of Goki's monsters.
And Karama possesses the Mirror of Darkness, which will grant him whatever he desires, I'm afraid. However evil the desire, it will come true. We can't let that happen.
Anything? Really?
Anything. Natural disasters, mass killings. You name it.
Are you serious?
The mirror of dark powers under a full moon. We have to take it away from him before. Kuenma, I think that this is.
Yes. It's likely Karama's seen Yusuke. It could be a trap.
I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. Understand?
Tugende se ajya mu ntambara zawe. Cyarabye umuntu bahanganaga nta kibazo yigirira ngo nuko ishakira amahoro. Kirangije. Urameshi. Yasuke Urameshi.
I'm sorry.
Babarire mwana. Buriya umugabo muri iyi si numenya ko yakoresheje akakimbabazi. Ntago nzongera kubangamira. Ndashaka ko twibera inshuti.
Earlier I was
Atkare kashize nari.
Have noodles.
Nari mgiye kurya makaroni. Hari ikiba zayitonze.
Ba yokai.
Kuri nce ba yokai bashobora kwanje nirira ryanjye.
I don't want to be involved in any trouble, hear me?
Ntago nshaka kujya mu bintu bazuranyumva neza.
So when I'm going to return, Cody, man.
Ati birarangira bite?
You can forget about the deal with the sinkhole.
Ati kira cyo buri bacukura yibagirwe deru yacu.
I'm very sorry for your inconvenience.
Ati rwose mbabare kuba utarasobanukiwe neza.
However,
kabone nubwo
your decision to void the contract is far too hasty, Taruka.
Ati rwose kabone nubwo wanze ko contract yacu ijya mbere.
How so?
Bigeze bikunda.
How about this?
Banza umva turabera mutse bigenze gutya.
Please come over to my residence.
Waji wanje.
I'll get you all the tears of ice you want.
Ngaguhamarira yose ya barafu wifuza.
So, ensure you're safe from the thieves.
Ubundi ugatandukana n'abajura.
Looking forward to your arrival.
Ata kugira ngo uje guhangana n'abamuhanganye.
Toguro. Job for you.
Toguro. Bina ngufitiye akazi. Arafite hakuno.
I hope you finally have one, Mats.
Ati ngufitiye indi